So another questions for practice which we saw in earlier video. Cos pi by 2 plus theta into sec minus theta into tan pi minus theta plus sec 2 pi plus theta sin pi plus theta into cot pi by 2 minus theta and equal to 0 we have to prove, right? So left hand side is cos pi by 2 plus theta sec minus theta tan pi minus theta plus sec 2 pi plus theta sin pi plus theta and cot pi by 2 minus theta. This is left hand side given and we have to prove answer is 0, right? Now this is sec minus theta. Cos and sec even function, all other are odd function. So sec minus theta is sec theta. So sec is even. So I am writing here sec is even. So sec minus theta is equal to sec theta, right? So this is your result. Why we are writing sec theta here. Now pi by 2 plus theta. Now see here. This is 0. If you draw circle, then pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Cos pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2, angle is multiple, right? So multiple of cos pi by 2 is changed. So this becomes sine, and pi by 2 plus theta, this is pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, all SPC. So second quadrant, sine is positive. So answer is cos. Cos is negative. So answer is minus. And change, multiple of pi by 2, so change. So answer is sine theta. Cos is into sine. Sec minus theta is given reason plus sec theta. So this is sec theta. Now tan pi, this is pi minus. So pi minus is in again second quadrant, and in second quadrant tan is negative. So negative, change, no change. So answer is tan theta plus sec 2 pi. 2 pi is here, plus means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all is positive, change, multiple of pi, no change. So answer is sec theta. Sin pi, pi is here, plus theta means in third quadrant sin is negative. So negative, change, multiple of pi, no change. So answer is sin theta. Then cot, pi by 2 minus theta, first quadrant, that is plus, and cot change to tan. So answer is tan theta, right? So this is minus minus plus. This is sin theta, sec theta, tan theta, and this is minus. So minus sin theta, then sec theta and tan theta. So answer of this is 0. Answer of this is 0, right? So that is your right hand side, and hence this is true. Got it? So you have to do questions like this. So this thing, all STC and pi by 2 multiple, sin, cos, tan, sec, cot, tan, sec, cosec change, okay, and multiple of pi, no change, and then check the sign using all STC. You will get your answer definitely, right? So for practice, I am giving you one more question, that is cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta, homework. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta into sec 3 pi minus theta into cot 7 pi by 2 minus theta, cot 7 pi by 2 minus theta plus cos pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta into cosec 3 pi by 2 minus theta, cosec 3 pi by 2 minus theta into cot pi by 2 minus theta, cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to 0. You have to prove that. Okay. So similarly, you can do this example. You will be get confidence, right? So do it yourself. Another question for your practice. Find the value sin theta minus pi by 2 cos theta upon theta minus pi plus tan pi by 2 plus theta cot 3 pi by 3 pi plus theta plus cosec 2 pi plus theta upon sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Now first of all, this is sin theta minus pi by 2. So we have to take minus common because we want pi by 2 minus theta, right? So taking minus common, so this is sin minus common means pi by 2 minus theta, and this is cos. Again taking minus common, so minus pi minus theta plus tan pi by 2 plus theta. Tan pi by 2 plus theta means, you know, second quadrant, but I am drawing a quadrant here. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. And again, if you come here after completing one complete revolution, it's a 2 pi. Now pi by 2 is here, right? Plus theta, pi by 2, right? Positive y-axis plus means second quadrant. So this is your pi by 2 plus theta. So this is pi by 2 plus theta. In second quadrant, tan is positive or negative, all S, T, C. So only sine and cosec are positive. So this is tan. So it's a negative. So negative. Now change. Yes, multiple of pi by 2. That means tan will be changed into cot. And theta is theta. So cot theta. Right? Now here, cot 3 pi. 3 pi is, you know, 3 pi means odd multiple of pi, means left hand side, and odd multiple of pi is left hand side, and even multiple of pi is on right hand side, that you know. So 3 pi will be here. So 3 pi. Now 3 pi plus. 3 pi plus means again we have to move on anti-clockwise direction, that is in third quadrant. So 3 pi plus. This is 3 pi plus. Right? So 3 pi plus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot. Tan and cot are positive. Right? So this is positive. And change, no change. So answer is cot theta. So answer is cot theta. Plus cosec 2 pi plus theta. This is 2 pi. Plus means first quadrant. This is 2 pi plus theta. In first quadrant, all is positive. So cosec is positive. Change, no change. As a multiple of pi. So answer will be cosec theta. So answer is cosec theta. Whole upon sec 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is here. Minus means in third quadrant again. So this is 3 pi by 2 minus theta. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. This is sec. So this is minus. This is minus. And sec 3 pi by 2. Multiple of pi by 2. That is change. So sec will be changed as cosec and theta. So answer is cosec theta. Right? Now, you know, sine minus theta. Sine is a odd function, right? So sine odd function. So what is your answer? So this implies sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, and cos minus theta, that is cos even function. So cos even function. So this implies cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is minus sine theta. So minus sine theta is pi by 2 minus theta whole upon cos minus theta is cos theta is a cos is a even function. So this is cos pi minus theta, and this is equal to, now this is minus plus minus, cot cancel, so answer will be minus 1. Again cosec cancel, plus minus minus, so answer will be minus 1. Now sin pi by 2 minus theta, that you know, you learn in 10th standard also, sin 90 minus theta cos theta, so no need to say anything. So answer will be minus cos theta whole upon cos pi, this is pi, minus means second quadrant, so this is pi minus, so pi minus second quadrant, cos is negative because sin and cosec are plus, so cos is negative, so minus, change no because multiple of pi, so cos theta minus 2 minus 1, this is minus plus, cos will be cut, so answer will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. This is your answer. Got it? So for your practice, I'm giving you another question, that is for homework, right? Sin minus theta into 10 pi by 2 minus theta into 10 pi by 2 minus theta into sin pi minus theta into sin pi minus theta into sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta, sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta whole upon denominator sin pi plus theta, sin pi plus theta into cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, right, into cosec pi minus theta into cosec pi minus theta, and cot 2 pi minus theta into cot 2 pi minus theta. Find the value of this. Okay, so this is a homework for you. So another question, sin square 40 degree plus theta plus sin square 50 degree minus theta is equal to 1. We have to prove sin square theta plus cos square, oh no, this is sin square, so otherwise we have identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So taking right hand side, left hand side is sin square 40 degree plus theta, and this is plus sin square 50 degree minus theta, this is given, right? So now you know sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. You know this is the formula, sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2, that is 90 minus theta. You know this thing, right? Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. You learn in 10th standard, this you know. So applying this formula to this sign, either this sign, anyone. So we are applying for this. So what happened here? See, sin square, this is 40 degree plus theta plus, now this is sin square, means we are changing in cos. So instead of sin we are writing cos, right? 90, so 90 minus theta is 50 degree minus theta, so this is 50 degree minus theta. Any problem? And this is square, means whole square, because you know sin square theta is equal to sin theta whole square. This thing you know, this is right, this is a square of function, not a square of angle. So this can be written as cos square, instead of sin we are writing cos and whole square, right? So simplifying this, this is sin square 40 degree plus theta plus cos, this is, if we expand this, 90 minus 50 is 40 So 40 degree minus minus plus theta whole square. Now this is whole square means square of the function, that is cos. So this will be sin square 40 degree plus theta plus again function square, that is cos square 40 degree plus theta. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, so bhai what upon 1. So this is 1. Sorry, I'm speaking Gujarati, but you are all are Gujarati, so it's okay. Okay. So this is sin square 40 degree plus theta, cos square 40 degree plus theta. That is 1. That is what you have to prove. So this is right hand side and hence proof. मदर टंग है ना, वो आ जाती है ना कभी कभी. Yeah, we all are Gujarati. अपने બધા ગુજરાતી છીએ તો वो रह जाए कोई बात. It's okay. So now this is same example. So I'm leaving for you. So this is homework. आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Do it yourself. DIY. Do it yourself, and that will make you perfect in trigonometry. And in trigonometry require more and more practice, because in your textbook there is no sums for practice, right? One formula, one question. One formula, one question. So there is more than 50 formulas and only 50 questions are there. So you have to practice some extra questions. That's why this is a special one lecture of extra questions, so that you will get some practice, and then the confidence level of your will be grow up. Okay. So again prove that cot 33 degree minus cos 567 degree upon tan 297 degree plus sin 477 degree is equal to 1. So left hand side is cot 333 degree minus cos 567 degree whole upon tan 297 degree plus sin 477 degree. Right? Now it's a difficult to judge what to do, but you know only that कि आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके आंसर लाना है. मीन्स ये सब एंगल सेम होना चाहिए तो ही कट होगा, और आपका आंसर 1 आना चाहिए. मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर सेम आना चाहिए तो ही आंसर आ सकता है. राइट? फॉर दैट सी यूनिट सर्कल पता है आपको, ये यूनिट सर्कल रहता है. मैंने अभी ड्रॉ कर दिया पूरा, मगर ये थोड़ा नीचे आ गया, चलेगा. राइट? दिस इज P0. राइट? This is these are given in degree, so I am writing only degree. So 0, this is 190, that is 290 is 180, 3 times 90 is 270, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36 plus 90 450 plus 90, that is 180 plus 540, right? 9 6 ja 9 7 ja 6370, sorry 630, and this is 720. I think these are enough angle for you. So after completing 2 complete rotation, first rotation we get 360 and in second rotation we get 720, right? So this is your angle on coordinate axis, that is coordinated angle. Now 333 is very nearer to 270 plus then 30 plus 33, that is 63, and 360 minus then only 27, 33 plus 7 40 and 20 360. So can we write here like this, cot 360 minus 27 degree. Got it? Okay, minus cos 567. So 567 is very near to this 540, otherwise this is 630, is far away. So this is very near. So 540 plus 27 is 567. Got it? Now you got the idea. आपको पता चला है क्या करना है. Tan 297. So tan 297 is very near to 270. 270 plus 27. Got it? same आ गया एंगल, हाँ. So this is 10, 270 plus 27 degree plus sine 477. This 450 plus 27. So this is 450 plus 27 degree. Got it? Got the idea? पता चला ना क्या करना है? Any problem? Okay, fine. Now, cot 360 is here, and then minus means fourth quadrant. So this is 360 minus, this is 360 minus 27 in fourth quadrant. All STC in fourth quadrant. Cos and sec only positive. This is cot. So this is negative. So negative 360 horizontal line, no change. So function remains same. That is cot, and angle is 27 degree. So minus cot 27 degree, right? Minus cos 540 is here, plus means again in third quadrant 540 plus 27, third quadrant. Tan and cot are positive. This is cos. So answer is minus, change, multiple of pi, horizontal line no change, only vertical line change, right? So this is cos, and angle is 27 degree, whole upon this is 10, 270 is here, plus means we have to move in fourth quadrant. This is 270 plus 27 degree. No need to do this everything in exam, right? You have to remember 270 means y axis plus fourth quadrant, like this. Okay, in fourth quadrant cos and sec is positive, but this is 10. So answer negative. Y axis change, yes change. So 10 will be cot theta 27. So cot 27 plus sine 450 is here, plus second quadrant. So this is for your understanding, right? For reference. Otherwise no need to write. This is 450 plus 27. Second quadrant sine is positive. Yes, sine is positive. Change, yes, vertical line. So change, sine will be changed into cos. So answer is cos, and theta is 27 degree. Got it? Now this is minus plus. So your answer will be minus cot 27 degree plus cos 27 degree whole upon minus cot 27 degree plus cos 27 degree. So now numerator and denominator are same, that is cancel. Answer will be 1 that you want to prove. That is, this is your right hand side. So this is true. Got it?